Hello students. Welcome back to class. Our topic for today is addition and subtraction of matrices. Before we continue, let's look at what we learned in our previous lesson. In our last lesson, we talked about 1. The meaning of matrix and its order, and also some of the types of matrices. Now, let us look at our objectives for today's lesson. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to perform the operation of adding and subtracting matrices. Follow me as we learn together. Matrices can be added only if they are of the same order. It involves adding corresponding elements of two matrices of the same order, resulting in a new matrix with the sum. Matrices can be added either from the left-hand side or the right-hand side, and will still give us the same result. For example, if A is equal to 2, 3, and 4, 2, and B is equal to 6, 2, and 5, 3, show that A plus B is equal to B plus A. Solution. We have matrix A, which is 2 and 3, 4 and 2, and matrix B, which is 6 and 2, 5 and 3. Therefore, A plus B will be 2 in matrix A plus 6 in matrix B, 3 in matrix A plus 2 in matrix B, 4 in matrix A plus 5 in matrix B, 2 in matrix A plus 3 in matrix B. Now, we add them up. 2 plus 6 will give us 8. 3 plus 2 will give us 5. 4 plus 5 will give us 9, and lastly, 2 plus 3 will give us 5. Therefore, for A plus B, we have 8, 5, and 9, 5. Also, for B plus A, using the same method used in A plus B, we find out that we have the same answer as A plus B. Hence, A plus B is equal to B plus A. Let's take another example. Example 2. Given matrix F for 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, and 2, 1, 1, and matrix G 2, 3, 0, 1, 3, 2, and 1, 1, 1, show that F plus G is equal to G plus F. Solution. Like we did in the first example, we add corresponding numbers together, that is, numbers in the same rows and columns. Now, combining corresponding numbers in the first row, we have 4 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 1 plus 0. In the second row, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 3, 4 plus 2. In the last row, we have 2 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. Next, we add them up. 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Therefore, F plus G will give us 6, 5, 1, 2, 5, 6, and 3, 2, 2. Now, try solving G plus F. You will see that the result is the same as that for F plus G. Let's look at subtraction of matrix. Subtraction of matrix. The method of subtraction follows the same pattern as the method for addition. It involves subtracting corresponding elements of two matrices of the same order, resulting in a new matrix with the differences. When two matrices are subtracted from each other from the left-hand side, the result will not be the same as when they are subtracted from the right-hand side. That's to say A minus B is not equal to B minus A. For example, given matrix P which is equal to 435, 634, and 257. And matrix Q, which is equal to 122, 213, and 132. Show that P minus Q is not equal to Q minus P. Solution. Matrix P is equal to 435, 634, 257. Minus matrix Q, which is equal to 122, 213, and 132. Now, we subtract the corresponding elements, that is, subtracting numbers on the same rows and columns. We start from the first rows in matrix P and Q. We have 4 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 5 minus 2. We move to the second row. 6 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 4 minus 3. Then, to the last row. 2 minus 1, 5 minus 3, 7 minus 2. Now, we subtract all. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. Moving to the second row. 6 minus 2 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. To the last row. 2 minus 1 is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. Therefore, matrix P minus matrix Q is 313, 421, and 125. Now, if we try to subtract P from Q, we will see that our answer will be different. Therefore, P minus Q is not equal to Q minus P. That's very good. Let's take some assignment. Assignment. Write down the following and try solving them yourself. Given matrix C and matrix D, show that C plus D is equal to D plus C. Solve D minus C. Remember to take your time, and don't feel bad if you did not get it on your first try. In conclusion, we have learnt how to solve problems on the addition and subtraction of matrices. In our next lesson, we will talk about multiplication of matrices. Always remember, learning is a journey. See you in the next class. Thanks, and goodbye.